Hey everyone, myself Yash. I've been building in Web3 for around 3 years. Today we are discussing and solving one of the biggest pain points in multi-chain development, that is gas fees. By the end of this video, you will understand why gas is broken and how UGF, the Universal Gas Framework, solves it. Let's dive in. So what is gas? Every transaction on blockchain needs gas. It's the fee you pay to the validators for processing your transaction. But here is the thing. Every chain needs its own native token. For an example, Ethereum needs ETH, BNB needs BNB, and Solana needs Sol. Seems simple, right? Now story time. Meet Alice. Alice wants to mint NFT on Polygon. Problem is she only has the ETH on Ethereum mainnet, no Polygon. So she on-ramps the Polygon or swap Ethereum to Polygon and or might even get Polygon from her friend. Then finally she mints the NFT, but multiple transactions just to pay the gas. Now imagine you're a developer, you are making a multi-chain app. So the issue is you have to manage gas wallets for 5 chains, monitor balance constantly, handle different gas tokens, educate users for the each chain requirements. It's a mess. User bounce and developers burns out. Now you can see there is the real transaction that failed because the user didn't have the Polygon, even though he has the thousands of dollars of the USDC in their wallet. Introducing UGF. What if I told you users could just pay gas in one token for any chain? For users, frictionless experience. For developers, one integration, all chains. How it works? So user submits transaction with one gas token for gas payment. UGF handles all the complexity inside. We will open this black box in the future videos. Transaction executes successfully. Inside there is token swapping, transaction relaying, gas payments, but you don't have to think about it for now. Let me show you how UGF works in action. So this is the Tychi wallet we built on UGF using BASE ETH as the universal gas token. Right now I will be swapping BONK, which is on Solana, to WALRUS, which is on Sui. And here you can see the balance of BONK as well as the BASE ETH, and you can see there is no Sol and Sui on this wallet. I will be selecting tokens and the amount to swap. So yeah, now I will be starting the transaction. The transaction is being processed. Yeah, so transaction has been mined and you can see all the swap details as well as the gas is paid in BASE ETH. And I will be going to the dashboard, and here you can see the balance of WALRUS has been updated. That means the swap has been completely processed. Now I will move to a normal transaction where I will be sending another user some SUI and the gas will be paid in ETH, not in SUI. So yeah, I will be entering some details and you can see the balance of SUI. So yeah, the transaction is being processed. Yeah, the transaction has been mined and all the transaction details you can see on UGF Scan website, which is ugfscan.com. All the transaction hash and everything, the gas you paid in ETH is visible here. Yeah. And now in the next video, I will show you how to integrate UGF API and SDK to a real dApp, which can be DeFi, gaming, and as well as wallets. Thank you.